Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Nissan Rogue. Now, this is a 5-passenger SUV in gray driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Nissan Rogue includes fog lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, a smart key system, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this Nissan does have a smart key system, so we can press this button on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it we can press that same button there. Now inside the door you have your power windows, locks and mirrors with some storage on the bottom. Inside, this Nissan Rogue comes equipped with black fabric seating and all-weather mats. This Nissan is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and push the start button right behind the steering wheel there. Now on the steering wheel you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. You also have your cruise control on the right side here. You can navigate through your multi-information display by using these arrows on the left side of the steering wheel, where we can also see this Nissan has 9,744 kilometers on it. Moving on to our display, right now we are on the home screen where it will display any audio that's playing. You also have your little shortcuts on the bottom here. So for example, if we go into audio and going into source, you do have your standard AM and FM. You can also connect your phone through Bluetooth. This Nissan does also support Android Auto, and you also have choices between auxiliary, CD, and USB. Now going into reverse, that'll bring up the backup camera for you. Now underneath is the climate control. It is a single zone. You have these smooth turning dials for your intensity and your temperature. On the very bottom you have a little bit of storage along with your USB and auxiliary, along with your 12-volt outlet. And all the way in the back here you have your two cup holders with your driver and passenger heated seats. Taking a quick look in the back here, we have a little cup holder inside the door. We are continuing with the all-weather mats and the black fabric seating. In the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. And these rear seats do fold down. There's a little handle in the corner. We can just give that a pull. Seats will fold, giving you access to your cargo. To access the cargo, there is a little button hidden underneath here. We can just give that a press. The lift gate will open up nice and easy. Now inside the back here you have plenty of storage space, and like I mentioned, the rear seats do pull down. That will always give you that extra bit of room. Taking a last look at our Nissan Rogue, once again some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, Bluetooth capabilities, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test ride. We're located here to Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail.